Gonna walk you through it real quick. We have a 4-foot by 4-foot pit going right here, and we have the conduit that's going to be laid right here, right past these two stumps. I'm not gonna pull the stumps, but it continues on. It's kind of hard to see in the sun. But it continues on to right here, where PSE put the location of the meter. I have a 4-foot by 4-foot pit right here. We're gonna end the conduit right here. Okay, just so they can get into it. They can pull the line in, and they go up into the meter base. So from here, I have another conduit that's going to go this way, right towards the corner of the house through this island right here. Okay, I'm going to dig that out. So right through there. It'll be quite deep at that point, but we're going to go pick up the line here, go straight in, 45 right here, go in to where your customer-owned service is going to be entering into the building. I'm not sure how that's going to work with your electrician, but we're going to end our conduit right here at the 4x4 pit, okay? And then he's going to have the ability to pull the wire through and then go up into the house however you guys see fit. So, and it's directly halfway between the corner and the window. So please let me know if you have any questions.